1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons, I'm using cocoa powder, 1, 2, 1/4 teaspoon, sugar, and baking powder. So mix that, let it marinate, then get your liquids together. Okay, 1 egg, that's a large. 1/4 cup milk, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, I got that much left, I'm going to use it. If you're using butter, use 4 teaspoons of melted butter. I'm using grapeseed oil, that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Vanilla extract. Chocolate and vanilla goes together well, so nice. I kind of want to put some nutmeg, just like a pinch. See? Pinch. Preheat your oven to 425. Oh my gosh, guys, this, how is it made? San Francisco? Wow. This is more decorative than it is for flavor. So I'm going to put some carrots in that one, but I don't have the silicone cups, so we're just going to MacGyver this thing here. 2 tablespoons. Minutes, then 350, 25 minutes. Oh, cute. So two teaspoons works perfectly. Mm.